Are you looking for a quick and easy way to spread a little joy this holiday season? Hi, I'm Jess from JessCrafts.com, and I'm here to help you make the most of your crafty supplies and time. So let's get making. Today I wanted to share a free printable with you as a way of saying thank you. It is Thanksgiving week here in the US when I'm sharing this video, and so I put together some free Thanksgiving treat tags for you to download and use. They have a cute little acorn on them. They say, "Hope it's not a corny sentiment, but I'm thankful for you." So it doesn't specifically mention Thanksgiving, and you can use it outside of the season. And there's a full color version and a black and white version. If you don't have a color printer, you could print those and color them yourself. Now, I do have treat tags in my Etsy shop for each season, including Thanksgiving, and each set includes 4 different designs. So in addition to the acorns, the Thanksgiving one has some turkeys, some pumpkin pie, and just a pumpkin. And they have a variety of sentiments as listed in the video descriptions, in the product descriptions. I have them for just general holidays, no mention of Christmas, just like a holiday treat or wishing you a warm holiday season, that kind of thing. I'm especially proud of this adorable little penguin because I do make all the illustrations myself, so I think he turned out pretty cute. Hope the season is as cool as you are. And then I have some Christmas ones, I have Easter ones, Halloween ones, etc., and they're all going to be 50% off in the Etsy shop this week just to kind of continue to spread joy, but then I have the freebies so everyone can access them. To make it a really quick treat to put out on your holiday table because, we don't have much time left between now and Thanksgiving, you could put these out, as I said, like on your table for a little after dinner treat or appetizer or whatever, to keep everyone, we don't want anyone's blood sugar to drop too much as they wait for Thanksgiving dinner. But also, you could pass them out to teachers or, anybody who helps you in your community. I got these 3x4 bags and I put some little chocolates inside of them. You can put this on all kinds of things, gift cards, other little candy treats, small toys, if maybe there's more, you don't know about allergies or something like that, or just like a nail file, all kinds of fun stuff. And because when you buy these in the Etsy shop, you do get a JPEG that is, you can resize it so you can make them bigger or smaller. The freebie does have them at a fixed size because it's a PDF. And you will get both the PDF and the JPEGs when you purchase the set. So you have a little bit more flexibility there to make it fit the size of your gift. But these are 3x4 jewelry bags. I put a couple chocolates inside. I took a 2" by 3.5" piece of pattern paper just to make it a little bit more interesting, and then stuck my circle tags on top. You can cut them with circle die, you can cut them with scissors, circle die, circle punch, etc. And now you have a fast, easy way to show others that you are thankful, and I'm thankful for all of you, for all the time that you take to watch my videos, when you use my links. I know that's, there's a lot of fun sales happening right now too, so when you take the time to click one of my links before making a purchase that you want to make anyway, it has a really significant impact for me. And I really appreciate that. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but I get a little percentage of the sale, and it makes a big difference in being able to continue to share resources with you. So again, just thank you so much for being here, and I hope to continue to provide you value through this holiday season and for many years to come. Happy Thanksgiving to anyone who is celebrating, and a happy holiday season as well.